Have you ever wondered which are the most beautiful countries in the world? Each country has its unique charm, but some stand out with their breathtaking landscapes, remarkable architecture, and vibrant culture. Today, we'll embark on a journey through the top 10 most beautiful countries in the world. Starting off at number 10, we find ourselves in the land of the Kiwis, New Zealand. With its diverse landscapes, from rugged coastlines to lush forests and stunning mountains, New Zealand never fails to amaze. Its natural beauty, paired with the friendliness of its people, makes it an unforgettable destination. Our number 9 spot takes us to the heart of Europe, France. Known for its rich history, romantic cityscapes, and delectable cuisine, France offers a unique blend of old-world charm and modern sophistication. From the iconic Eiffel Tower in Paris to the lavender fields of Provence, France leaves an indelible impression. Next, at number 8, we arrive in Canada. This North American gem boasts a plethora of natural wonders, including the majestic Rocky Mountains, the tranquil Great Lakes, and the awe-inspiring Niagara Falls. Canada's beauty extends beyond its landscapes to its multicultural cities where diversity thrives. Moving on to number 7, we venture into the land of the rising sun, Japan. Japan is a harmonious blend of traditional and modern, where ancient temples coexist with towering skyscrapers. Its serene landscapes, such as the cherry blossom trees in spring and the vibrant autumn leaves in Kyoto, captivate the heart. At number 6, we find ourselves in Italy. Italy is a treasure trove of art, history, and gastronomy. From the romantic canals of Venice to the architectural marvels of Rome and the picturesque landscapes of Tuscany, Italy is a feast for the senses. Halfway through our list at number 5, we come across Australia. With its pristine beaches, vast outback, and vibrant cities such as Sydney and Melbourne, Australia offers a unique and diverse beauty that is hard to match. Number 4 brings us to the tropical paradise of Indonesia. With over 17,000 islands, Indonesia is a haven of natural beauty. Its stunning beaches, lush rainforests, and vibrant coral reefs make it a paradise for nature lovers. At number 3, we journey to the Nordic wonderland of Norway. Known for its breathtaking fjords, northern lights, and enchanting forests, Norway's beauty is as dramatic as it is serene. The second most beautiful country in the world, according to our list, is South Africa. With its diverse landscapes, ranging from stunning beaches to dramatic mountain ranges and vast savannas, South Africa's beauty is both raw and sophisticated. Finally, at the top of our list, we find the Alpine paradise, Switzerland. With its pristine lakes, towering mountains, and charming villages, Switzerland is like a scene straight out of a fairy tale. Its beauty, both natural and man-made, is unparalleled, making it the most beautiful country in the world. So, these were the 10 most beautiful countries in the world. Each one unique, each one stunning, offering a glimpse of the incredible beauty our world has to offer. Whether you're an avid traveler or just a dreamer, these countries are sure to inspire and amaze.